I'm making this video for one particular user who posted a message that he couldn't open up his project and he wanted to know how to get into it. If you can't open up a project, you get a message like that, it's most likely that you have a corrupted resource in your project. So you might think you're stuck. But Filmora actually provides for automatic backups. So if we go to File and Preferences and Folders, you'll see that there is a folder called Backup Projects. Now yours is going to be different than mine because I happen to have some goofy location. Now you could click the browse there quickly to see whether there is a project. Now if you started the project and you didn't save it at all, giving it a name, then you're going to get this untitled part. But if you have given it, if you've done at least one save and you've given it a name, then you're going to get backups with the file name. Now one thing about this is you cannot open the backup file from here. And in order to understand why, you need to go down and find this README text, which gives you some instructions on how to use the automatic file recovery things. But I'm going to go over that because this isn't exactly true, because in step 2 it says double click to enter your desired project. But you're here because you couldn't open your desired project. But that doesn't mean that you can't take advantage of the backup system anyway. So we're just going to close out of that. And let's just look at one other feature here, and that's the backup setting. I happen to have mine set for 20 minutes. I don't know when you install the program, the default may be 5 minutes or something like that. But if this is activated, as it is here, this is deactivated, this is activated, then it's going to make a backup recovery every time, an automatic backup, every time the time limit is met. I previously made change the setting here so I would create a backup for me. So how would you get to the backup recovery of this particular project? We would go to File, Backup, Project Backups, and there we will see all of our previous projects. Now I can open up any of these, but I just happen to not save my resources, so I wouldn't have. I can't open up something I didn't save resources on. But this is the previous version of this project here, and you can see it's got 2 recoveries, one at 553 and one at 555. So we'll go here, and I'm going to save the project I'm working on right now, but you can see that it actually opened up my backup recovery. Okay, very important here. Don't just start working in this. The very next step that you want to do is File and do a Save Project As. Give it a new name so that it's stored where your normal projects are stored. If you don't do this, then and you do a save, it will be saved as this, and it will be saved in the project folder, which is not where you want it. So make sure you once you're done your recovery, you immediately do Save Project As. Okay, so this is a nice feature. I'm not even sure when they added this backups feature here. If you have earlier versions, you may not see this, but you still have the backups if you have been working on a particular project long enough before it either crashed on you or it corrupted on you or something else happened. It just won't be able to use this feature here, but instead, once you figure out where your backups are located, you can go to that folder via your Internet Explorer. And okay, here's my goofy location, videos, and Filmora temp, default storage locations. Okay, eventually you'll get to Filmora, Wondershare Filmora, and you'll go down and you'll find backup. And this is where all of your backups are. Now, if you don't even have Filmora started, you can now double click on any one of these backups and it will load up. But you still need to follow those same steps. As soon as you get it back up, do a save as and give it either the same name as the corrupted file and overwrite it, or give it a different name if you don't want to take a chance on that. And then start working on, or continue working on, your editing process.